Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn an OBD2 reader and an old smartphone into a digital dashboard for basically any OBD2 car. Let's get into today's video. Alright, just a quick backstory on why I installed the digital dashboard. This is a 4-valve swap Mustang. The swap just got complete maybe a few days ago. Have the full build on my channel. Ron Francis wiring. So yeah, it's a fresh build, and with using the Ron Francis wiring, we could not run the stock dashboard, so have to install gauges. I installed a fuel gauge, volt gauge, and now I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my digital dash. Alright, first things first, the OBD2 reader. Don't have to be too specific. This one was about 27 bucks. Because it's so cheap, yes, you will have a little bit of lag in your transfer of information, but let me open this thing up. It's super simple to install. It's a little Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I think you can use it over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Plugs right into your factory OBD2 port on your diagnostic port for your car. So Chevy, Ford, any which one, any vehicle that can that has the OBD2 port can use this. So you plug this in, you set it, and forget it. The next thing that you will have to do, and the reason why this was so cheap for me to install, is because I had an old smartphone lying around in the drawer. Pretty typical, nothing fancy at all, just a stock Android phone that I wasn't using. And you install the Torque Pro app on it, which is one of the best apps for running a digital dash. Now the way that I have it mounted in the car is with a GoPro mount, and one of the and the phone case itself attached to a sticky GoPro mount. So once I've got the phone booted up and I've got the app running, I just put it right here next to the wheel, and I can monitor everything from there. So let me drop the okay, so let me show you guys how to install it. My aftermarket OBD2 port is right here, so I'll just flip it around, plug that in. Gotta connect the battery. So connect the battery, then I'm gonna connect the phone, and then we're gonna turn, because this is my ignition, so we're gonna turn the ignition on, and I'll show you how the gauges show up, and then we're gonna start the car to show you that it all works. All right, first things first. Yeah, I'm recording this video barefoot. Try to ignore that. But first things first, you want to turn on Bluetooth, and you're gonna see the OBD2 pop up. Now you're just gonna have to pair it once and then turn the Bluetooth on, and it will automatically connect each time. So it might not, like, you might not click on it and it says connected, but see the Torque Pro app? I use Torque Pro and also Real Dash, but Torque Pro is the best in my book. So if you see the Torque Pro app, you'll notice that gauges are working. You can also use GPS on these apps to track times, but we're just gonna go straight into the real-time gauges, and there you go. So the one thing, you notice everything says no data, no data, no data, right? That's because the vehicle is not started. So you see, no data, straight through. So let's turn on the ignition, and then let's start it. Oh, my bad, key's not in. Get the key out. All right. I need the key for the PAT system. So it started. Let me show you guys again. It should be saying connected when I flip the switch. Watch. It should say that it's see ECU okay, connected. Notice it's seeing the revs, it's seeing the coolant temperature. Very good. So there you have it. Digital dashboard. And that's it. That's how you install it. One OBD2 scanner with the Bluetooth device in it and an old smartphone. It's that simple. All right, and it's that simple to have a digital dashboard in your vehicle. Once it is OBD2, it has the OBD2 port installed in it, and there's really not much else to it. The TalkPro app has a lot of custom dashes that you can create on your phone to monitor different things. The RPM is a bit laggy because of the Bluetooth connection and just being a cheap device. You can get faster connection Bluetooth devices for like over $100, and that'll make this thing really snappy, really quick. But I just wanted to monitor coolant temps, and that's pretty much it. Just wanted to make sure this thing wasn't overheating, and this was a very inexpensive way. Instead of running a whole sensor and then finding somewhere to drill and tap it into the coolant pipes of the vehicle. So very easy fix. Also, the plus side is diagnostics. Whenever something happens with the vehicle and I'm trying to figure out what it is, I go right into the diagnostic side of the computer and pull the codes right from the very same app. So it's super easy, super simple to have done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.